What up, guys? It's your boy Sticks, man. I know I've been missing for a little while, but it's been doing a lot. And now I'm literally rushing everywhere I go. Right now I'm on my way to a softball game, but I figured I'd bring you guys a little POV drive on the way there. Yeah, bro. I have been checking out my comments and replying to as many as I can, but I've really been off the YouTube like stuff. So I'm just trying to get back on that grind, but I just have so much going on at the moment that it's hard, bro. It really is. But that's not gonna stop me. I'm gonna continue bringing you guys, you know, POV drives and other content or whatever. I actually got a link up. I haven't seen none of the boys in forever. Like I haven't seen A-Man in a while. I haven't seen Jonathan or JD, as you guys know him, or Explicit Whips in a while. We just been busy, bro. I really have been. But hopefully we can get a drive or two in with the guys, man. It's been a while now. And I missed my car, bro. This car was sitting for, I want to say, a week and a half since last video you guys saw. Actually, no, before that, because that video was recorded before. So yeah, my car has been sitting for like a week and a half, which is why I haven't done any videos or anything like that. And yeah, but we're back. I'm gonna try to upload more consistently again, you guys. It's just, I don't know, bro. I don't know. The car feels good as always. We do need gas, only 20 miles left, but I don't got time to get that right now, as I have a game at 6:30, and it says I get there at 6:31. So where is this dude going? This dude just ran the red light like it's crazy. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys have been doing good, man. Stay blessed. Make sure you know, grind, get your stuff ready. And yeah, bro, it's a little hot in here though. Should I open up the window a little bit? Or I will put the car in sport mode, but I don't know if I have gas for that. But I mean, for a little bit, I guess it won't hurt. I haven't heard my car in a while. It should sound good. Every time I drive my car in comfort for a long time and then I put it into sport, the car feels so much more aggressive. It's like it really pops when I don't drive it in sport for a while. It also wastes a lot more gas, but it's whatever, I guess, you know. The weather is nice though, I can't say that. Beautiful weather right now. Look at this guy. It's not sunny, but it's not too hot, and it's just nice. Oh, I'm about to go by this lady, and I'm not gonna pop it while I drive by. I don't want to scare the little kid, the little girl there. But I've been good though, man, staying healthy and stuff like that. I am starving, bro. I'm so hungry. I literally have not eaten the whole day. It's 6:15. That's so unhealthy. So I hit up my brother, who's gonna be coming to the game, and I told him to bring me something to eat, bro, because I think I'm gonna pass out if I don't eat something like right now. You feel me? I need to eat before this game. I don't care. Oh my god, it sounds so aggressive, bro. You guys hear those pops, bro? Y'all missed the pops and bang? Y'all miss me, bro? Though, comment below right now if you missed your boy Sticks in the 440,000, bro. I feel like some of you guys miss me. I feel like some of y'all don't care, but I miss you guys. It's all good, you know. For those who love me, I love you too, Gengi, and I miss you guys. But I'll try to be consistent again. Try to upload as much as I can. It's just hard to upload a lot when I don't drive the car as much anymore. You know what I mean? Like every time I do drive it, I try to record or pick up the camera, but since I don't drive it as much right now, just because I be so busy, it's hard to record anything or even hang out with the guys and go on drives and stuff like that. So, but we'll try though. We'll try. So I do miss you guys. I like making my videos and all that, and I know you guys enjoy watching them and stuff. Also, one more thing. Don't be surprised if you guys see, oh hold on, I need to put one of those windows down. Don't be surprised if you guys see one or two of the details that I've done on this channel. I just want to test out to see how it does on this channel, because I do have a brand new channel. It's Elite Finish Mobile Detailing. If you guys don't know, I'll probably put in the link below. You guys can check it out, but I want to test it out and put it on this channel and see how it does. If it does really good, but we might have to switch, just because like that's, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do to make it happen. You feel me? The POVs are not gonna go anywhere, so don't be alarmed. They're not going anywhere. I'm just saying, I just want to try out the POV details that I've done on this channel to see how they do, to see if you guys enjoy it, and try that, bro. Because honestly, at this point I've tried it all. And why is this guy flashing his lights like I'm not, you know, going the speed limit right now? You want to speed, bro? Go find another lane, you heard? But yeah, we're not too far. I think we actually might make it there in time. Since you guys always say don't hug the left lane, look, I'm switching over. I'm gonna be on the right lane for a little bit. So you guys are, somebody's always commenting, oh, don't hug the left lane, don't hug the left lane. Bro, this is New York. There's no such thing as like sliding over, bro. You take a lane that is empty, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm already going faster, a little bit faster than normal. So like, me being on the left lane is totally fine because there's nobody behind me honking at me, flashing lights like that for me to need to move over, you know? So stop telling me to move to the right, bro, because I'm good. I don't need to. I understand if you're going really slow and you're in the left lane, okay, get out the way. But if you're already going like 5 over or speed limit 5 over, like, you can be in the left lane, bro. As long as you're not like impeding traffic, the flow of traffic, you're literally fine. So I'm gonna have to turn this AC on a little bit, bro, because I'm literally freaking burning in here. But how much gas we have? 20 miles still? Not bad. I gotta hit up my brother, see where he at with that food, bro, because I'm starving. Shit. I see a lot of you, I see a lot of more of you guys are getting the 440,000s. You guys be hitting me up on Instagram. Yo, I caught the 440,000. What should I do next? What do you recommend? I always like helping you guys, but a lot of you guys always ask me the same questions that I've answered like a million times. I mean, I'll still answer them, but it's like, damn, bro, you don't watch the videos? I posted everything that I have in my car, everything that I've done, everything that I want to do, everything that I'm missing. Like, everything is already uploaded. So if you ever have a question on something, literally look it up on my video, on my channel. I probably answered it already, or I did a video on it. So yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. So actually, I have one more little update. So there's this company that wants to send me a little iDrive system for the car. I don't really need it, and they want me to make a video on it. I don't know if I want to take this whole thing off just in case I messed something up. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. I don't know if I want to mess with my iDrive system stuff and install something else. Like, it's cool if you didn't have iDrive before and you want to put, you know, have the Apple CarPlay and all that stuff. But I already have it, so it's like, I don't even know. Maybe we install it on Jonathan's or Explicit's car, since he doesn't have it. I think it'll be a cool upgrade, because our car is pretty much identical, you know. The only difference, he got a 435, I got the 440, so it should fit the same way, same body, same everything. So, but we're almost there. It looks like we're actually gonna be on time. I guess we shaved off a couple minutes, so that helps out. But yeah, bro, if you guys want to see me upload more, honestly, bro, drop a like on this video, comment, because it's just like, when you get, like, honestly, guys, when you get more views, when you get more likes, when you get more people to comment, it makes us want to upload more. But when we put all this effort and nobody's like liking the video, nobody's commenting, it's like there's no interaction there. It's like, bro, it's like I'm making the video for myself, you know what I mean? And so I'm just making these videos for you guys to enjoy and learn something. And just, if you guys don't have a 440 and looking to get one, hopefully I'm of some help. So all I ask for is a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you watch the videos, if you watch multiple, just subscribe, just so that we get that little motivation. It's like when you go to the gym and you see other people working out, like, you get motivated, bro. It's like, damn, they're lifting weights, I want to work out. Like, I want to lift the weights. Like, it's way different when you work out at home and there's literally nobody there. Like, the motivation is not the same. So that's the same thing with YouTube. Like, when we get a little bit more views, or we get people that interact with our videos and talk to us and comment, it motivates us to record more and upload more. But that's what it is, bro. So that's what we always ask for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, just because it motivates us to do better and keep working. So, well, that's all that chit chat I got for y'all. But yeah, this song, I see there's a little 4 Series up ahead. I don't know what it is though. But yeah, bro, we almost there. is that a 4 what? I don't even know. Might be a 435, 440, but it's definitely a convertible, wrapped in satin black or something along them lines. But yeah, I haven't driven this car in a while. It honestly feels a little weird. So you gotta switch over. Matter of fact, because I'm about to take the exit. Say, oh, I gotta take the exit, right? Oh man. Oh, he out. Okay. My fault, gangy. With your heavy 4 series. With the drop top. How much gas? 18 miles. Shit, low. I need to get gas after this game. Oh, I still here. Yep. Still sounds good. Looks like there's some. Slide over here. My car feels so heavy. Not that heavy, but it feels kind of heavy just because I have mad stuff in the trunk and in my back seats. Alright. Well, we're basically here. I just got one last turn to make and we're basically at the park. So if you guys did enjoy, I would really appreciate if you guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. And yeah, man, the more likes, the more comments and all that we get, bro, the more I'll upload. It's just that simple, bro. So either way, I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Keep grinding, keep hustling. Your boy Sticks loves you, and we'll see you in the next video, man. Peace.